Hey there, so I'm back with another brand new video, and in this video we will see best nitric oxide supplement. Number 1. Snipe Supplement Nitric Oxide. It's high quality nitric oxide supplement. It's a pre-workout supplement. Its energy and performance booster support muscles growth. Number 2. Silver Onyx Nitric Oxide. Its energy and muscle growth booster. It will boost your workout performance, support increased blood flow, and boost energy and endurance. Number 3. Joe Nutrition Nitric Oxide. It's best supplement for building muscle. Its energy and endurance booster supports blood circulation, helps in heart health. Number 4. Sheer Nitric Oxide. It's performance boosting nitric oxide supplement. It adds strength in workout, build muscle naturally, and endurance and energy booster. And last of all, editor's choice. Jack Factory Nitric Oxide Supplement. It's more powerful muscle building energy booster, and in this one you can get most of the benefits of above products. So without any further thinking, check the link in the description below to get any of these products. That's all about this video. Leave a comment what you like or dislike about this video. And don't forget to subscribe our channel Health and Wellness.